In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve your Hotmail account swiftly and with ease. Whether you've forgotten your password or are having trouble accessing your account, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. To kick things off, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. In the search bar, type Microsoft Account Recovery page and hit Enter. This will take you to the right starting point for retrieving your Hotmail account. Once you see the search results, look for the official Microsoft link that says Recover Your Account. Clicking on this will direct you to their account recovery page. Next, when you arrive at the Microsoft recovery page, you'll be asked to enter the email associated with your account. Take a moment to carefully type in your Hotmail address to avoid any mistakes. After you've entered your email, click on the Next button. This will start the process of verifying and recovering your account. Following this, Microsoft will present you with a series of recovery questions. These questions are designed to verify your identity and ensure you're the rightful owner of the account. Answer each question to the best of your ability. It's important to recall any security details you might have set up previously. This could include alternate emails, phone numbers, or answers to security questions. Once you've answered the recovery questions, you'll need to fill out some additional details required to recover your account. This can include providing more contact information or any additional identification requested by Microsoft. Make sure all the details are filled out accurately. If there's any uncertainty, double-check your entries to ensure everything is correct. Throughout this process, Microsoft will guide you with prompts and instructions. It's vital to follow these instructions closely as they are tailored to help you successfully regain access. Microsoft may offer to send a verification code to an alternate email or phone number, so be on the lookout for that, and enter the code promptly if this step appears for you. By following these instructions carefully, you should be able to regain access to your Hotmail account. Remember, it's normal for the process to take a little time. So be patient if you don't see immediate results. Your account recovery is important, and taking these steps should help you regain access efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in retrieving your Hotmail account.